Removing apps and extensions from your Chromebook. Please note, extensions and applications are user-specific in the school district. To uninstall an app, on the left bottom corner of your screen, select the launcher. Click on the up arrow to expand the app shelf. Right-click on the app you want to remove by clicking with 2 fingers on your touchpad. Select Uninstall or Remove from Chrome. Click Remove and you're done. To install an extension, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Select the extension you want to install and click Add to Chrome. It will start downloading and installing the extension. Not all extensions are approved by the district and can be installed. If you need an extension that is not approved, you must talk with the teacher first and have them file a work order to be reviewed. To uninstall an extension, click on the 3 dots on your Chrome browser. Select More Tools and click on Extensions. This is where all your browser extensions live, and here you can disable and remove them. Some extensions are managed by the school district and cannot be modified. Head to the extension you want to remove. You have the option to disable it by dragging the slider to the left, or remove it by clicking on Remove, then confirming. If you're having any difficulties with apps or extensions, please contact your school Chrome Care Center or contact Student Help Desk at studenthelp@vvsd.org or by phone at 815-372-6988. Thank you.